So there is another question, Harpal, in the chat box. Can you tell me what is proof of stake?
Yeah, sure. So, right now, Ethereum and Bitcoin blockchain work on proof of work. What that basically means that you are supposed to do some kind of work in order to prove that you have to provide the proof that you did the work, and then you get the chance to mine the blocks. So proof of stake is basically, let's just understand what stake is. Stake basically means that you lock your funds in the, like, there could be a pool or it could be a contract where you lock your funds, and then you get a chance to be a validator. Basically, how blockchains work is that when a bunch of transactions are sent to the blockchain, they get bundled up into a block, and then the validators or miners in terms of proof of work and validators in proof of stake get to decide, like get to propose actually that, you know, uh, according to me, these are the correct transactions, and everybody who is a validator gets to do that. Everybody gets to do a proposal, and on a random basis, on a random algorithm, one of the validator is selected, and they get a chance to you know, provide that block, like validate the block. So if I am a validator and if Vinayak is the validator and if Vinayak is selected, all the transactions that Vinayak proposed, that these are the correct set of transactions that can be included in this block, that block will be the correct block and included in the blockchain. Rest all them will be discarded. And the other validators, what they can do is just try to confirm that the transactions that Vinayak proposed are correct or not. So that's proof of stake. The difference is that you get the validators are selected on a random basis and your funds are staked. So you lock your funds. So why do you lock your funds? Because if you try to do something wrong that the other validators think that you did something wrong, then your funds would be slashed. What that means is that if you put in 100 rupees and if you did something wrong, it depends. I'm just giving you an example. 5 rupees might be deducted. So when Vinayak wants to opt out of validation, he will only get 95 back and not the complete 100.
I hope that answers your question, Dipendra. That was really insightful, Harpal. Like a great explanation and difference between proof of stake as well as uh,
Yeah.
specifically staking. Thank you.